I don't know. We're lost.
Sissy, I'm hungry.
Well, suck it up.
Sissy, I'm thirsty.
We'll put it in your juice box and suck it.
Okay, but where's your juice box? Sissy,
What?
I'm tired.
Well, go to sleep.
I don't want
Why?
to. 'Cause I hate you.
Why? What?
You're mean. You keep saying suck it up. You say I'm a moron. I hate you.
Well. Sissy! Sissy, come back! Woo!
Sissy, wake up! Wake up!
That's what you get for complaining! Oh, yeah. Oh my God, she's alive! She's alive! Ugh.